Attack center, Tube and weapon ready, Tube 2-1, power up time now.
Weapons free, Tube 1, aye, sir.
Stand by, Tube 1.
Ice pick submarine, bearing 182, 900 yards.
The USS Hartford, Los Angeles-class nuclear attack submarine readies to fire.
Fire, Tube 1.
Shoot, Tube 1.
In an instant, a 2-ton, 20-foot-long torpedo speeds towards an enemy submarine.
How long ship's engaging the target?
Target acquired and destroyed.
All hands stand fast while hovering operations are in progress.
The Hartford is training for its primary mission, hunting and killing enemy ships and submarines.
180 feet, 0 angle.
But these exercises, which CNN was given exclusive access to, are taking place in the harshest sea environment in the world.
Counting out, submarines, I'll stop.
Under the Arctic ice.
Chief of the watch on the 1MC. Vertical surface, vertical surface, vertical surface.
Ship is commenced vertical surfacing. As a reminder, all hands stand fast.
It's an arena where even surfacing requires enormous power and skill.
5-degree up angle, 0.23 upper velocity and increasing.
We were on board as the submarine stalks to the surface with the full force of its 6,000 tons.
Impact.
1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000.
We've just broken through 2 feet of Arctic ice. The North Pole is this way, Russia is this way, and Alaska this way. And a mission like this is all about sending a message. The U.S. Navy can operate or wage war, if necessary, in the harshest environment in the world.
The Arctic is the newest and most daunting front in the expanding global competition between the U.S. and Russia. These 5.5 million square miles are under an intense battle for dominance as the ice shrinks and opens new oil exploration, new shipping lanes, and crucially, new paths to wage war.
We are well aware that we are in a great power competition environment, and the Arctic is one piece of that.
Great power competition, talking principally about Russia, but also China.
Russia and China are two of our great powers that are trying to catch up with us as fast as they can.
This year, these exercises, called ICE-X, are taking on new urgency. A British submarine joined for the first time in a decade, and U.S. submarine forces are refocusing on a mission dating to the Cold War. Operating under the Arctic presents unique challenges, with no access to GPS navigation, limited communications, and dangers from below and above.
Ice keel depth times 0.755 feet.
Ice keels as long as 150 feet extend down from the ice sheet.
Stationary dive the ship to 180 feet.
America's biggest challenge, however, comes from Russia. The Russian military has assembled an arc of steel along its Arctic coast, comprising dozens of military bases, ports, and airfields. And it is building and deploying faster, quieter, and more capable subs of its own.
In every case, they're trying to get faster and better at what they do and integrating technology into their platforms. And it's really set them on a ramp to where if we don't continue to do the same, we'll find ourselves in a place of falling behind.
For now, Navy commanders say the U.S. maintains a technological advantage.
Rammer, number 1, rammer.
Clear forward.
Yeah. Ramming.
Subs like the Hartford are virtually invisible and silent to enemies, allowing them to strike without warning against targets below and above the surface.
These are 2 of the 4 torpedo tubes, but you can launch a lot more from a sub than torpedoes. You have 12 vertical launch tubes. They can launch cruise missiles. From those torpedo tubes, you can also launch unmanned underwater vehicles, drones becoming more of a focus in this Navy, and some submarines like this equipped to send out SEAL team delivery vehicles as well. These subs designed to project power in many, many ways.
However, Russian and increasingly Chinese submarines are getting better at doing the same.
Chinlock, bridge to right.
Is the Navy becoming more reliant on subs as a platform?
We do expect that submarines are going to be able to get to places and to conduct action where other units may not be able to. Right off the bat, we're going to need the submarine force to kick the door in and other forces to flow behind.
That is the firm message to audiences in Moscow and beyond.